First of all, you need to choose the right niche. A lot of people make big mistake of picking the wrong niche. If your book is a highly competitive niche, it will be buried under thousands of books. Imagine you're writing a novel, for example, and they have over 60,000. Where do you think your own is going to enter? But also, if your niche is very, very small, there will not be enough buyers to like click your book to buy it, you get. So now the question is, how do you find profitable niche? It's not that difficult. The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to use the Amazon search bar. That is what people are searching for. You get. You start typing different keyword, you get, and looking for the auto suggestions. And I make use of Amazon Search Expander. Is actually an extension. You can just add the extension to Chrome. You get. So that anytime you search something, it's going to expand your search. You now start seeing what people are searching. Then you can now start niching down from there. Then you also make sure that you should look for books that are under 300,000 BSR. But as for me, I look for books that are under 50,000 BSR. Then I know, okay, their BSR mean bestsellers rank. It actually means that book is actually selling. You get. If you see a book that is above 300, just run away from the book. Then the next one is you need to know keyword and categories. You need to know, okay, what are the buyers going to search? For example, now you want to write a weight loss cookbook. What type of cookbook? Who is it for? Is it for women? Yes, you can do weight loss cookbook for women. Is it for over 50? Is it for men? Is it for over 50? Is it for children? Things like that. You need to know who need that your book. Then you niche down and put it in the 7 keyword, because Amazon is going to give you opportunity to put 7 keywords that buyers are likely to search for. So you should make use of that opportunity. Then the next one is to create high converting cover, because in Amazon people judge a book by its cover, you get. Then your book cover should be professional and eye catching, because just think about it, if your book is, let's say you go on Amazon now, you see a book, why do you think people click the book? Or for example, in YouTube, before you click a video, is the thumbnail that caught your attention. That is the same way it is on Amazon. You take your time to design your book. Personally, I make use of Canva to design my book. If you can't design, you can actually meet people that can design it for you. Like me, I design for people, so you can actually meet me and I design your book for you. Then you should make sure that your book cover is of good, high quality. You get. Then also don't forget your interior. You should make sure that is the inside of your book. The inside of the book should be really catchy. Like what I do is I make sure that, especially my first 20 pages, are usually catchy, because Amazon gives buyers the opportunity to see the first 20 pages or first 10 pages, like to have a view of your book, to know whether your book is really good, whether your book is worth it. So you should make sure you take your time. Don't just publish nonsense. Just calm down. Make sure your cover is beautiful. You make sure your interior is also beautiful. Then you should also write an engaging book description. When you have a title, you should make sure your title is catchy, like title that can grab a buyer attention, you get. Then the cover, that book cover I talked about, it should be catchy. Then also your book description should also be catchy. Your book description is what convinces people to buy your book. A boring description is equal to 0 sales. If you write nonsense book description, people will be like, what is this? That means this book could be nonsense. Here is how to structure it. First, you start with a hook. For example, you can start with this hook like 5 things you should avoid, or something like, if you are looking for a way to build your muscle, then this is for you. That is like a catchy hook. Then you highlight the benefit. Why should buyers buy your book? Why should they buy it? Then you should use bullet points that is for easy readability, that lets it be easy for the buyers to read. Then it should be short. Don't make it too long. You're not telling a story. It's not a novel. It's just a description. Then it should end with a strong call to action, like grab your copy today, grab your copy now, or what are you waiting for? Hit that grab button or something like that. So make sure you tell them, this is what I want you to do, and then they will definitely do it. Then one other thing I should know is that after you have followed all these steps, you need to also get reviews, because reviews makes people know that, okay, this book is actually good. Like in Amazon, you'll be seeing something like 5-star review, 4-star review, 1 star. 1 star means that the book is nonsense. But imagine having 5-star, like let's say 100 people give a review for you, and it's 5-star, 4-star, 4.5, that kind of thing. It makes your book to rank higher, and also it makes other people want to buy your book because they know, okay, this book is actually good. So how do you get book review? That is, book reviews sell better on Amazon, like I said, but how do you get them now? They should enroll on KDP Select. But then personally, I don't really enroll on KDP Select because when I started as a beginner, when I enrolled on KDP Select, what happened was that you'll be giving out your book for free. Like, different people will buy your book. Like, you just wake up one morning, you see 100 orders, but it's not going to record because you are giving out the book for free. The giving out the book for free will now make them, they will now read it. If they like it, they will now give you like 5 star, 4 star. You get, then after 3 days, your book, the free version will be over. So people will now start paying for it. But then the thing is, why will I just start giving my book for free? Like, personally, I don't just like it. It's my own personal decision. But then if you do it, it also make your book rank and people also give you star review. But I don't just want to give up. I want to make my sale immediately. That is why I do research what is working. Like, I calm down and make research. Okay, people need this book, so I'm going to publish that book, and I know people will definitely click it after I follow this. After I follow the steps that I'm giving right now, that is doing a good cover, doing a good title, doing a book interior, doing a good description, then publishing it using the right 7 keywords. You get, there's one thing you should know. If you are getting review, just use the honest way. Don't buy fake review because Amazon is really strict about it. If Amazon mistakenly catch you that you are doing fake review, they might terminate the account. There's one of our video I showed where Amazon terminated my account. Although it's not about fake reviews, about some copyright infringement that I did not know about. So you should make sure you be careful with Amazon because they take all these things seriously. You can just wake up one morning, just terminate your account because you not stick to that guideline. Like, don't fake a review, don't use copyrighted stuff and all that. Then the last but not the least point, like I promised at the beginning of my video, I said I'm going to drop a bonus tip. The last but not the least point is consistency. Consistency. You should know that in Amazon, the more books you publish, the more chances you have to make sales. So you should just keep improving on based on what is working. Analyze your best-selling book and double down on what's making you money. If a particular book, if you are doing weight loss book and it's giving you money, just keep on doing it. You don't need to move to another niche. If you are doing travel guides and it's giving you money, you stick to it. If you are doing low content book like the one I uploaded in my YouTube channel some days back, you just stick to it. Once it's giving you money, just stick to it. Don't be jumping from one niche to other. Just make sure that you keep on making more books. If you are making books daily, fine. If you are making weekly, fine. Just be consistent. That is just it. That is just how basically to make money on Amazon. There's no actually magic there. There are some people that do run Amazon ad. It's actually, if you have money, you can run Amazon ad. You get, it's going to make your book rank up in the first page. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more KDP tips. Thanks so much for watching.